Namaste students, myself Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class MEd third semester. We will discuss the topic steps for construction of criterion reference test. Okay. Firstly, discuss education evolutions and education evolutions. Types of evolutions based on frequency of conducting evaluations, formative evaluations and summative evaluations. Based on nature of measurements, maximum performance evaluations and typical performance evaluations. And next, based on methods for interpreting results, criterion reference evaluations and norms reference evaluations. Interpreting test scores. A raw test score is meaningless without a framework for interpretations. When people take an assessment, it's important for them to understand the implications of their scores, particularly when passing or failing make a major difference in their lives. There are two ways to score an assessment. These are referred to as criterion referred and norms referenced. Firstly, I discuss criterion reference test. Definition: criterion reference test, a test which is designed to enable the test used to interpret a test score with reference to a criterion level of ability which has been agreed upon a domain of contents. The student must reach to this level of performance to pass the test, and the purpose of criterion reference test is to classify pupils according to whether or not they are able to perform some task or a set of tasks satisfactorily. Criterion reference test is usually produced to measure well-defined and fairly specific objectives. Next, the purpose of criterion reference test is to measure the amount of learning that a student has accomplished on each objectives. Criterion reference test criterion reference tests are devised before the instructions is designed. The test must match teaching objectives perfectly so that any tendency of the teacher to teach to the test would be permissible in the attaining objectives would thereby be assured. Next, a criterion or cutoff scores is set in advance, and those who do not meet the criterion are required to repeat the course. In criterion reference testing, the goal is usually to make decisions about where or not an examinee can demonstrate mastery in an area of contents and competences. Oftentimes, the area of contents and competencies being assessed in job related most certifications and licensures exam of criterion reference test. Okay. Criterion reference is based on level of ability or domain of contents constituting the criterion is and not the setting of a cut off score of making decisions. Strength of criterion research test reference tests. A process of development of criterion reference test is helpful in classifying objectives. The tests are useful when objectives are under constant revisions, and the tests are useful with small and are unique groups for whom norms are not available. Test security is considered less of a problem since students now advance the precise contents domains for which they are held responsible on the test. Okay. Weakness of criterion reference tests. The objectives measures are often too limited and restrictive. Test scores are not referenced to a norm, so students typically are unable to compare their performance with that of other students in the populations of interest. Bright students who easily attain the criterion level of mastery may not be encouraged to reach higher standards of excellence. The very stabilizing of the criterion or cutoff score in a practice usually highly arbitrary. Okay. Relationship of criterion reference test with mastery and development level learnings. Mastery levels learning and developmental level learning. Steps in constructing criterion reference test. Preliminary considerations, review of contents, domain or behavior of interest. Third item are task writings and preparations of any scoring rubrics that are needed, and assessment of contents validity. Next, revision of test items and tasks and field test administrations. Revisions the test items or task. Next point, test assembly and selection of performance standards and pilot test administrations. Next, preparations of manuals, and last, additional technical data collections. Characteristics of criterion reference tests. Use of criterion reference tests. Use limitations of criterion reference tests. Administrations, test layouts, reliability, cutoff scores and validity. Okay. And research abstracts. Comprehensive practicum evaluations across the nursing programs and education programs, seeking quality in criterion reference test assessment and criterion references and norms reference assessment of minority group children. Okay. Thank you, students.